In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a Confluence page. Let's get started right from your browser. Open it up and head to startatlassian.com. Sign into your account so you can access your Confluence workspace. Once you're in, choose the space you want to work with. Spaces are like folders for teams or projects, so picking the right one keeps your content organized and easy for others to find. In the top right, click the Create button, then choose Page. This opens a blank canvas, but before you start typing, it's helpful to see what's available. At the bottom of the panel, click All Templates. On the right-hand sidebar, you'll see curated suggestions to speed you up. If you're capturing a team conversation, select Meeting Notes. If you're mapping out work, choose Project Plan. And if you're documenting how to fix a technical issue, go with Troubleshooting Article. Templates set up structure and formatting, so you spend less time fiddling and more time writing. Next, build a visual skeleton to guide readers. Use headings to break your content into clear sections. Type /H2 for your main sections and /H3 for subsections underneath. This hierarchy makes scanning simple. At the very top of the page, add a table of contents by typing /toc. It automatically pulls in your headings so readers can jump straight to what they need. If you want a more balanced layout, click the layout icon in the top toolbar to create columns. Columns are great for comparisons, quick references, or separating steps from notes. Now focus on writing scannable content. Avoid walls of text that slow people down. Keep paragraphs short and make lists wherever it helps. You can type an asterisk followed by a space to start a bulleted list and keep related items together. Near the top, add an excerpt by typing /excerpt. Write a tight 2-sentence summary inside it. This shows up in search results and on parent pages, giving readers a snapshot of what your page covers before they open it. When you have a warning, a next step, or a key takeaway, don't just rely on bold text. Use info panels by typing /info, /note, or /tip. These colored callouts draw attention to essential points and make the page easier to navigate. With these steps, you'll create a Confluence page that's easy to find, quick to scan, and helpful to your team. Take a moment to review your headings, confirm your table of contents looks right, and ensure your excerpt clearly states the value of the page. Thanks for watching.